Hello everyone! Finally, we are going to continue the Legend of the Five Rings lore with this video about the Lion Clan, one of the 7 great clans of Rokugan. The Lion Clan is known for its fierce warriors and strict code of honor. The clan is mostly identified by the colors yellow, brown, and earthy tones. The Lion are often called upon to serve as defenders of the Empire and are known for their bravery and loyalty. The history of the Lion Clan can be traced back to the kami Akodo, who was one of the 7 kami who descended from the heavens to found Rokugan. Akodo was a great warrior and strategist, and he founded the Lion Clan to train his followers in the ways of war and honor. The Lion Clan is divided into several families, as we have seen with the other clans of Rokugan, and we are going to take a look at those families a little bit closer. Each has their own unique characteristics and strengths. The Akodo family, named after the kami Akodo. The Akodo Mon was a reserved lion's face, a sharp contrast to the blunt fury of the Matsu Mon. The division of the face presented the Akodo's dual nature, as both accomplished warriors and learned thinkers. The Akodo are the military leaders of the Lion Clan and are known for their tactical genius and leadership skills. They are often found on the front lines of battle, leading their troops to victory. They are also the foremost expert on Bushido, the code of honor that governs the actions of samurai. The Ikkoma family. The Ikkoma Mon was a Torii arc surrounding nothing. All Ikkoma realized the significance of the portal itself. Through each portal lied knowledge and ultimate understanding, along with another portal and greater vista. The path to comprehension was never ending, as each new discovery led only to more questions. The second family is the Ikkoma family, which is named after the storyteller Ikkoma. The Ikkoma are the historians and storytellers of the Lion Clan. They are also known for the spreading of propaganda. They keep the records of the clan and pass down the stories of the lion's victories and accomplishments from generation to generation. They are also skilled at psychological warfare and are often called upon to undermine the morale of their enemies. The Ikkoma are often the voice of the clan in diplomacy and are called upon to negotiate with other clans. The Matsu family. The Mon of the Matsu was crafted with their passion for war in mind. It showed a sword carried in a lion's paw, raised to the heavens in defiance of any who would challenge them. The Matsu family was named after the lion's most famous warrior, Matsu. The Matsu are the fiercest warriors in the Lion Clan and are known for their bravery and strength. They are often found in the front lines of battle, charging into battle with a fierce war cry. The Matsu and the Akodo families work well together, where the Akodo provide tactical foresight and the Matsu provide the fierceness to succeed. However, from time to time, these two families burst out into open anarchy between the two families. The Kitsu family. The Kitsu Mon depicted a lion's head with a flaming mane, which bore a resemblance to their fallen ancestor, before he was made by Amaterasu to look like men. Kitsu remembered the past, those who had come before, and what they had done. Their Mon was a memory, both of fallen Kitsu and his legacy. The Kitsu family, which is named after the Kitsu, one of the 5 races that ruled the world before it became Rokugan, are known for its connection to the ancestors. The Kitsu are the spiritual leaders of the Lion Clan and are known for their powerful magic. They are the foremost experts on ancestor worship and are able to commune with the spirits of their forebears. The family were keepers of history, just like the Ikkoma, but where the Ikkoma recorded the physical history, the Kitsu recorded spiritual history. The Kitsu are also said to be unable to lie. In addition to its families, the Lion clan has a number of important allies and rivals in Rokugan. The Crane clan is the Lion's most bitter rival, and the two clans have fought many wars over the centuries. The Crab clan are viewed as honored warriors for their strength. However, their lack of courtesy reminded the Lion that an impudent man is an untrustworthy man. As for the dragon, they rarely left their mountain temples, and this is what caused suspicion among the Lion. They quickly deemed the dragon to be cowards and afraid to confront them in battle. The Phoenix clan were seen by the Lion as wielders of a weaker magic than their own, as they relied on the elements too much. As for the Scorpion clan, they are liars and they cannot be trusted. The Unicorn clan are powerful allies to have, according to the Lion, but they are impulsive and they must be taught. That's a brief history of the Lion clan and its families. I hope you have found it interesting and informative. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the Legend of the Five Rings lore, as well as the usual product openings of the many card games on this channel. So see you all next week for the Phoenix clan lore. And yes, I have said it before, but this time I have already prepared the video and it's just waiting to be published. So see you all next week. Bye bye.